Since 2008, Yarcen has always been a one-stop provider of customized services for packaging products, and we are still moving towards a more professional packaging field. We have 3 high-standard factories, which can effectively meet customers' manufacturing needs for paper boxes, bags, and tin cans. Our experienced sales and design teams can deeply understand customers' procurement needs. Our professional production team uses the most advanced equipment to complete every detail of the entire production process. Our strict QC team makes every product perfectly displayed. Yarcen is a gold certification supplier of Alibaba. We currently serve customers in 70+ countries or regions worldwide, involving more than 30 industries, including coffee, tea, spices, baking products, candy, chocolate, toys, stationery, jewelry, gifts, pet food, wine, health products, and beauty products. High quality, quick customization, on-time delivery, and price concessions are the foundation of our service. Whether you are a startup or an established global brand, whether you are tiny order or large order, the Yarcen team must strictly and carefully do every service detail, provide you with a cost-effective and complete solution, and easily convert the idea into reality.